So today we're going to be painting Fionna the human. These are the colors I'm using. They're all Rosalind, and I'm also using Baddest Black by Nails by Dev. And this is the brush that I'm using today. So first I'm going in with the skin base, and then I do a matte top coat on top just to make it easier to paint on. And I start by outlining her head, which is just like an open oval. Mine originally came out a bit circle, but I did go in and fix that. Then I went in and made a thin outline around there and started on the ear. Before I went any further, I did the outline for parts of her hair so I know not to go over that. And for her neck, you're gonna do almost an hourglass shape and round that off at the bottom. Right above where it's rounded at the bottom, you're going to make two slightly diagonal lines for her shoulders. Right here, I'm just going in and making a bunch of lines for the outline of her book bag. I did 2 for the shoulder straps, and then I'm doing 2 for the top of her book bag. And after I make this final line, I'm going to go back in and finish her hair. I just did a random in right here and then kind of made a backward seat to connect everything and loop that around. For the hair, you want that side to be a bit bulkier than the other sides. And now that I have the hair placed, I'm going to go in and do the other ear. As you can see, I really just made a bunch of little lines upwards until I was happy with what I was looking at. I low-key freestyle when it came to the hair and the ears. Right here, I'm just taking my brush and some alcohol and cleaning up any areas that I didn't like. I forgot a spot, but we're not going to talk about that. So now I'm starting on the eyes. I started with 2 dots and then I just went in and filled it in. This was probably honestly my fastest outline ever. It took about 20-25 minutes, but the eyes was the longest part for me because I redid the left eye. The right eye was not cooperating. Right here, I'm making 2 dots for the mouth. I do recommend doing this since the mouth is really thin and also kind of an odd positioning. Everything's so close together. So now I'm going to switch up my brush and fill everything in. So the rest of this is just me filling in the colors. So I might talk to y'all for a little bit because it's been like, 5-7 months since I posted a full-length video with me talking. Wow. So first off, I want to start by saying thank you for 500 subscribers. Let's talk about it. Let's freaking talk about it. I've been going crazy posting shorts, but I stopped posting full-length videos only because I didn't have enough storage. Because I'm using my phone. And then once I finally had the storage again, the issue was that I was focused on posting on TikTok and Instagram, trying to grow my other pages. And I was like, how am I going to record a full-length video and record TikToks and all this other stuff at the same time? But I learned how to do it. But I'm definitely going to start posting more again. It's the end of the year. I've been doing nail art for now 10 months, technically 9 because I started at the end of January the last couple days. So I'm getting old in this nail game. What? But my birthday's coming up, guys. I'm gonna be 21. I'm doing a birthday nail collab, so expect that. It's me and 2 other ladies who have the same birthday, so we're doing birthday themed nails. I want to record it, but I'm doing something that I've never done before, and it's the tiniest thing I've ever done. That's all I can say. I might try to record a little bit. I have to finish it soon because I have to finish it soon. So y'all might see a little bit, but that's it. That's all I'm giving you. Don't ask me for any more. I don't know. I feel like I haven't done a voiceover in ages. I've been trying. I've done 2 within the past couple days. I'm trying to get myself back into it, but this is so But I hope there's somebody out there that enjoys hearing me ramble because I don't know what I'm talking about, and half of y'all probably don't either. But there's gonna be one person. There's gonna be a couple people that are like, yeah, girl, I feel you. I do. I really do. And thank you for that because okay. It's getting serious. I'm 530 something followers deep. Wait, I'm 550 something followers deep. Wait, hold on a second. It's getting serious over here. This is still about to just be for fun, but I'm gonna take it a lot more serious. Anyways, do y'all see Zorro on my nails? I don't know if any of y'all that are watching this have been subscribed to me, or if you've seen my Zorro nail video, but I did a set of Zorro nails before and they did not come out great. But I mean, I was a beginner. Now look at me. The growth is there. I'm going to leave y'all be for the last minute of the video. If you're painting along, I hope yours turned out well. If you're just watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did paint along and you finished and want to show me, you can tag me on Instagram, TikTok, or you can send it to me on either one. The name will be on the screen. And you guys can expect more tutorials because there has been requests. If you have a request, you can leave it in the comments below and I will add it to my list. Bye guys.